We'll guide you through how to make seamless pattern in Illustrator. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Launch your Adobe Illustrator. When it's open, go to the top menu and click File to open the available options. From the menu, choose New, so the preset size selection window appears on your screen. Select the preset size that best matches your project needs, then click Create to open your blank canvas. Once the canvas is ready, start designing your pattern base by preparing the main shapes that will build the overall design. In this tutorial, the ellipse tool will be used to create the pattern elements. Click on the Shape tools in the toolbar and pick the ellipse tool from the list of available shape options. After selecting the tool, draw an ellipse on your canvas by clicking and dragging the cursor to the desired size. Add another ellipse shape to create more texture and visual detail within the design. Continue arranging the shapes until your base pattern looks complete and balanced. When your base pattern is done, select all of your objects together and group them so every shape stays organized as one design. Next, go to the top menu bar and choose Object to open additional design settings. Select Pattern from the drop-down menu, then choose Make from the submenu to turn your artwork into a repeatable pattern. Use the adjustment panel to set and adjust the pattern size according to your preferred layout. Make sure the spacing remains balanced and proportional between each object so the final pattern appears clean and consistent. When you are satisfied with the adjustments, click Done to save the pattern settings. Your completed pattern will now be added automatically to the swatches option. To test the final result, draw a random shape anywhere on your canvas. Find the Swatches tool, then select your newly added pattern to review how the completed pattern looks inside the shape. If the pattern appears too crowded or too empty, you can return to the pattern settings and repeat the adjustment process until everything fits correctly. Reviewing the pattern inside different shapes can also help you understand how the repeated design will appear in future projects, backgrounds, packaging layouts, or decorative illustrations created with Adobe Illustrator for many different creative design purposes.